The Bayanbulak Grassland, rich in Mongolian heritage and natural springs, has seen human activity as far back as 2600 years ago. In the 36th year of Emperor Qinlong's reign, 1771, the Torhat and Sud Mongol tribes, led by Wobashi, returned from the Volga River in Russia to China, and in 1773, they were settled in the Bayanbulak Grassland and along the Kaidu River, located on the southern road of the central Tian Shan Mountains at an altitude of about 2,500 meters, covering an area of 22,000 square kilometers. It is China's second largest grassland after the Ordos grassland in Inner Mongolia, with flat terrain and abundant water and grass. It is a classic meadow steppe and the most fertile summer pasture in the southern Tian Shan region. The grassland is lush and green, with flocks of cattle and sheep, surrounded by mountains and crisscrossed by rivers, forming a vast and undulating landscape. The area is rich in plant species and vast in size, with high-quality forage grass like Siberian wild rye covering the land, feeding over 600,000 head of cattle and sheep, making it a major livestock base in Xinjiang. It is home to famous breeds such as the Yili horse, Bayanbulak fat-rumped sheep, Chinese merino sheep, and the powerful yak known as the four treasures of the grassland. Every spring and summer, the grassland is filled with blooming flowers. Sheep wander like drifting clouds, with white yurts resembling snow lotuses scattered around. In midsummer, Bayanbulak turns into a green paradise with lakes and marshes, thriving herds, and stunning beauty. The famous Swan Lake is in the southeastern part of the grassland, a must-visit tourist destination. The Gongnesi Forasteria nearby features lush woods, vibrant flowers, flowing streams, and moss-covered rocks, offering picturesque scenery. Bayanbulak is home to 9 ethnic groups including Mongols, Han, Tibetans, and Kazakhs, showcasing colorful and vibrant ethnic customs. The Mongolian Nodam festival, held annually, is particularly spectacular. The grassland has 63 peaks and 74 mountain passes standing among the surrounding mountains. Located 636 kilometers from Pola city, Bayanbulak lies in the northwest of Heijin County, southeast of the Ili Valley, and central southern Tian Shan. Its water sources are mainly from melted snow, rain, and some underground water, forming many marshlands and lakes. From the 4th to the 6th day of the 6th lunar month, the Grand Nodam festival is held, featuring horse racing, wrestling, singing, dancing, and a marketplace with ethnic souvenirs. On the 4th day of the lunar month, the Mongolian Tegling festival is held on Tegling Mountain, where lamas in robes chant and worship outside yurts. That morning, a few wildflowers picked halfway up the mountain were carried by the wind, singing praise of a simple life, and then we never saw a one-way train ticket again. On that journey, they said leaving home means wandering. No matter how far, when you miss home, just open the window. They said, wherever you are, remember that on the road there are those who understand and won't fear the wind and waves. The distant mountains have watched me leave countless times in dreams. He wonders if the fireflies are still waiting at that station, and I keep dreaming of the journey with the one-way ticket, singing all along the way. They said leaving home is wandering. And no matter how far, when you miss home, just open the window. They said wherever you are on the road, there are those who understand and are not afraid of the wind. If you like the video, then please like and subscribe to the channel. We are waiting for your loving comments.